Welcome to MyDraw. Today, let's learn about Export to GEDCOM. MyDraw comes with full support for exporting family tree diagrams to the popular Genealogical Data Communication, or GEDCOM, format. GEDCOM is the standard for exchanging genealogical data between different genealogical software. It is commonly used for creating family tree diagrams. To export a GEDCOM file in MyDraw, click on the File menu, click Export, click Family Tree, select the file you want to save to, and click the Save button. Note that when exporting a diagram to GEDCOM format, only the information contained in the family tree shapes will be exported. You will lose all other shapes and all formatting and positioning.